In today's fast paced digital ecosystem, real time communication isn't just a luxury, it's a necessity. From social media platforms to healthcare apps and online marketplaces, users expect instant, secure, and seamless messaging experiences within the apps they use. That's where Sendbird comes in. Sendbird is a scalable, developer friendly platform that enables you to add in app chat, voice, and video features with minimal effort and maximum customization. Whether you're building a customer support system, a collaborative workspace, or a global community platform, Sendbird's APIs and SDKs give you all the tools needed to launch interactive messaging that's fast, secure, and easy to scale. In this video, we'll explore the platform's standout features and how it can empower your app with communication that drives retention, satisfaction, and growth. For its key features and benefits, first is the real time messaging. Sendbird's core functionality allows for one on one, group, and open channel conversations in real time. It includes must have features like typing indicators, delivery status, read receipts, and message history retrieval. This creates a dynamic chat experience that keeps user actively engaged and connected in real time. Another key feature is the chat moderation and user management. Sendbird provides powerful tools for moderators and admins to maintain safe, respectful chat environments. You can block or mute users, flag inappropriate content, and filter profanity automatically. This enhances trust and safety for users while ensuring your platform meets community guidelines and compliance standards. Another key feature is the offline messaging and push notifications. Users can receive messages even when they're offline, thanks to persistent messaging and native push notification support. This keeps conversations flowing without interruption. This encourages users to return to your app and stay engaged, reducing churn and increasing session frequency. Another key feature is the customizable UI components and SDKs. Sendbird offers out of the box UI kits to speed up implementation, plus the option to customize every detail using core SDKs for iOS, Android, and web. This saves development time while allowing your team to create a chat experience that fits your brand perfectly. Another key feature is the rich media and file support. Support for images, videos, voice messages, GIFs, and document sharing makes conversations more expressive and functional. Files are securely uploaded and easily previewed in app. This delivers a modern, multimedia chat experience similar to popular consumer messaging platforms. Another key feature is the scalable and reliable infrastructure. Built for performance, Sendbird supports millions of concurrent users and messages with global data centers, auto scaling, and built in redundancy. Your app can scale effortlessly as your user base grows, with no loss in performance or reliability. Another key feature is the developer focused tools and documentation. Sendbird is built with developers in mind, offering clean APIs, WebSocket support, extensive documentation, SDK tutorials, and sample apps. This reduces the learning curve and accelerates deployment so teams can launch chat functionality faster and more confidently. So, why is Sendbird a great choice? Sendbird has become the gold standard for in app communication due to its versatility, performance, and ease of integration. It's trusted by leading global brands like Reddit, Paytm, and Hinge for a reason, because it delivers chat functionality that feels native, performs reliably at scale, and enhances user experience in meaningful ways. The ability to mix and match services like messaging, voice, and video also gives your team the flexibility to grow your communication stack as user needs evolve. Moreover, Sendbird empowers product teams to focus on what matters most, building great user experiences without spending months developing back-end infrastructure. It provides peace of mind with industry-grade security, compliance certifications, and user privacy features. Whether you're launching a new product or upgrading an existing one, Sendbird enables a future-proof chat system that's ready to meet 2025's expectation. With analytics, role-based access controls, moderation dashboards, and third-party integrations, Sendbird doesn't just help you build messaging, it helps you build a community. So basically, in a world where communication is central to digital experiences, Sendbird stands out as the ultimate toolkit for integrating high quality messaging into your app. Its balance of power, scalability, and ease of use makes it ideal for developers and product teams looking to accelerate time to market without compromising on user experience. So, whether you're managing a remote team, building a niche social network, or supporting e commerce transactions, Sendbird delivers the real time communication layer your users expect. So start leveraging Sendbird today to elevate your app with chat, voice, and video and transform how your users connect, collaborate, and engage in 2025 and beyond. So that's basically it for this video. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.